This is what art does. This is art. You're painting a pepper. And it's fascinating because you put a little darkness and it just takes a form. It just takes formation. And it happens instantaneously. It hits you like a euphoria. I call it the bliss of art, the euphoria of art, the bliss of art, the euphoria of art. And one bliss is when you cast that little shadow on that object. You cast that little shadow on that two-dimensional object and it just takes form. Just magically pops into form. When you watch it slowly emerges itself. Not emerges. Protrudes. Takes form, and then you just drop a spark of light and the object pops out. It's like a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. That's a fascinating phenomenon. You know, the kind of optical illusion that shades can do on a two-dimensional surface is quite a fascinating phenomenon. Because you're seeing something that technically doesn't actually exist. It's an illusion. Optical. You know, and surrealism is just... I find surrealistic art to be quite a fascinating